Hi everyone, spring is here. It's time for fresh and fun makeup. Today I'll show you a pastel look. It's easy to do. You can wear it every day. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's what we'll use: moisturizer, primer, lightweight foundation, concealer, pastel eyeshadow palette, black or brown eyeliner, mascara, blush, peach or pink, highlighter, and pastel lipstick or lip gloss. You can use what you already have or find affordable options. Drugstore brands work great. Good makeup starts with good skin. First, wash your face. Use a gentle cleanser. Next, apply moisturizer. This will hydrate your skin and make your makeup go on smoothly. Lastly, use a primer. Primer helps your makeup last longer. Now, your skin is ready. Let's create a flawless base. Start by choosing a lightweight foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. This is crucial for achieving a natural look. Apply it with a brush or sponge, whichever you find more comfortable. Make sure to blend it well, especially around the edges of your face to avoid any harsh lines. Next, apply concealer. Use it under your eyes to cover dark circles and on any blemishes or areas of redness. Blend it well with a small brush or your fingertips. The key here is to use a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation to brighten up those areas. For a dewy finish, set your makeup with a light dusting of translucent powder. Focus on the areas that tend to get oily, like your T-zone, but avoid over-powdering to keep that fresh, glowing look. Now let's talk about some additional tips to enhance your flawless base. Before applying foundation, make sure your skin is well prepped. This means cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. A good primer can also make a huge difference, helping your makeup last longer and look smoother. When applying foundation, start from the center of your face and work your way outwards. This technique ensures that you get the most coverage where you need it, while keeping the outer edges of your face looking natural. Don't forget to blend down your neck to avoid any noticeable lines. If you have any areas that need extra coverage like acne scars or hyperpigmentation, you can go back in with a bit more foundation or concealer. Finally, setting your makeup is essential for longevity. A setting spray can lock everything in place and give you that dewy finish we all love. Hold the spray at arm's length and mist it over your face in an X and T motion for even coverage. And there you have it. A flawless base that looks natural and lasts all day. Remember, the key is in the blending and setting. Happy makeup applying! Now for the fun part, pastel eyeshadow. Pastel shades are perfect for creating a soft, dreamy look that's both playful and sophisticated. Choose a light color that complements your skin tone and outfit. Lavender is pretty and romantic, perfect for a whimsical look. Peach is fresh and vibrant, adding a touch of warmth to your eyes. Mint green is fun and refreshing, giving a unique pop of color. Start by applying your chosen pastel shade to your eyelid. Use a fluffy brush for a smooth, even application. Gently sweep the color across your lid, starting from the inner corner and working your way outwards. Blend the color upwards towards your eyebrow to create a seamless transition. This technique helps to open up your eyes and make them appear larger. If you want to add more dimension to your look, you can incorporate a second pastel color. Choose a shade that complements the first one. For example, if you started with lavender, you might add a soft pink or a light blue. Apply this second color to your crease, the area where your eyelid folds. Use a smaller, more precise brush for this step. Blend the color well to avoid any harsh lines. The key to a beautiful pastel eyeshadow look is blending, blending, and more blending. To finish off your look, you can add a touch of shimmer to the inner corners of your eyes. This will brighten up your eyes and make them sparkle. You can use a shimmery white, silver, or even a light gold. Apply it with a small brush or your fingertip for a more intense effect. Don't forget to highlight your brow bone as well. Use a light shimmery shade to accentuate the area just below your eyebrow. This will lift your brows and give your eyes a more defined look. Finally, complete your pastel eyeshadow look with a coat of mascara. choose a lengthening or volumizing formula to make your lashes stand out. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try a colored mascara that matches your eyeshadow. And there you have it, a magical pastel eyeshadow look that's perfect for any occasion. Section 6. Eyeliner and mascara. Let's define your eyes. Use black or brown eyeliner. Line your upper lash line. You can do a winged liner or keep it simple. Next, apply mascara. Wiggle the wand from root to tip. This will give you volume and length. Your eyes look amazing. Section 7. Blush and glow. Time for blush and highlight. Smile. Apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. Blend it upwards towards your temples. Next, apply highlighter. Use a small brush. Apply it to your cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. You look radiant. Section 8. Pastel lips. Let's finish with your lips. Choose a pastel lipstick or lip gloss. Pink, peach, and coral are great choices for spring. Apply it evenly to your lips. For a dewy effect, add a clear gloss on top. Your lips look gorgeous. Section 9. Your spring look. Congratulations! You've created a fresh and fun spring makeup look. Remember, makeup is about having fun. Experiment with different colors. Find what looks best on you. What do you think of this look? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tutorials. See you next time. Spring is a season of renewal and transformation, and your makeup should reflect that vibrant energy. As the flowers bloom and the days get longer, it's the perfect time to refresh your beauty routine. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn and try. Start by considering the colors that define spring: soft pastels, bright florals, and fresh greens. These shades can be incorporated into your eyeshadow, blush, and even your lipstick. Don't be afraid to mix and match to create a look that's uniquely yours. For instance, a pastel pink eyeshadow paired with a bold coral lip can make a striking statement. Next, think about the textures and finishes that can elevate your look. Dewy skin is always in for spring, giving you that fresh, just outside glow. Achieve this by using a hydrating primer and a lightweight foundation. Highlighters can add that extra touch of radiance to your cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose. Don't forget about your eyes. Spring is the perfect time to play with different eyeliner styles. From a classic wing to a more experimental graphic liner, the possibilities are endless. Mascara is also a must to make your eyes pop. Try a volumizing formula for that extra oomph. Blush is another essential for a spring look. Opt for shades that mimic a natural flush like peach or rose. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks for a youthful, healthy glow. Lips can be the focal point of your spring makeup. Whether you prefer a glossy finish or a matte look, choose colors that complement your overall palette. A bright pink or a soft nude can both be stunning choices. Finally, setting your makeup is crucial to ensure it lasts all day. A setting spray can lock in your look and keep you looking fresh from morning to night. What do you think of this look? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tutorials. See you next time.